Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this video you can see very stunning and eye-catching ideas about pink nail polish. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. In this video, I can tell you about pink nail polish and nail arts. Pink nail polish is a versatile and popular choice that can add a touch of femininity, elegance, or playfulness to your nails. There are numerous shades of pink available, ranging from soft and subtle pastel to vibrant and bold hues. There are some ideas and descriptions of the different pink nail polish styles are in this video. You can pick the different ideas and apply on your hand nails to enhance your beauty and enjoy your personalities whole day with your friends, family members at different occasions. Baby pink colors is very dedicated and light shade of pink is reminiscent of cotton candy or baby blankets. It exuded a soft and innocent vibe, making it an excellent choice for a classic and understated look. Another pink color is a hot pink color is here. Hot pink color is very bold and intense shade of the pink demands attention. It's daring and confident, radiating energy and vibrancy. Hot pink nails are ideal for making a statement and adding a touch of drama to your overall appearance. Rose pink colors, dusty pink colors, magenta, nude pink colors, coral pink colors, and glittery pink colors are all the colors of the pinkish shade that can increase the beauty of your nails and your hand. Nude pink color, a blend of pink and pink. Nude pink is a versatile and elegant color. Please pick the ideas and make your whole day very charming and very eye-catching. Thanks for watching.